How to make slime. You will need borax, Elmer's glue, food coloring, 2 bowls, water, a spoon. You will also need measuring cups and a teaspoon. Get a half cup and pour water into your measuring cup. Then we're going to pour it into our bowl. Get your half cup of water and your bowl and pour it in. You will need a teaspoon. Fill it with borax. Then pour your borax into the half cup of water in the bowl. Get your spoon and mix the borax, half cup of water in the bowl. When the borax in the water is dissolved, put the bowl to the side and grab your other bowl. Get Elmer's glue, and then we're going to pour it into our second bowl. With your 4 fluid ounce Elmer's glue, pour into second bowl. Get a half cup of water and pour it over your Elmer's glue. Make sure all measurements are exact. Get your food coloring and put about 8 to 10 drops in your Elmer's glue and water. Mix your food coloring and Elmer's glue together thoroughly until it looks mixed through like this. Get your first bowl content and pour it into the bowl. Then mix thoroughly. It will soon get a very slimy and thick consistency. Keep on mixing and keep on mixing. Soon it will look like this. But you're not done yet. Keep on mixing. Knead until the consistency is good. As you see, I'm kneading it here. Different backdrop, I know. And there you have it. Fun, easy, affordable, playful slime. As you see, I'm playing with it, having very much fun squeezing the guts out of it. That's how you make slime. Bye! Comment, rate, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!